Lesson 7, the recent document list. In Excel 2007, we can now see the last 50 files that you opened, which is a great improvement over the recently used file list in Excel 2003. We can also now pin an item to the list. However, there are some privacy concerns. When we open the Office button, you can see a list of the last files that we opened. Now, in Excel 2003, this list only showed 4 items, although you could customize it to show up to 9 items at the bottom of the File menu. In Excel 2007, if your screen is large enough, this list can show you the last 50 items. Let me show you how to change that. If you go to the Office button and choose Excel Options, and then go to the Advanced tab, we need to scroll down to the Display section where we can show the number of recent documents, and we can increase that to 50. Click OK. Now you need to have a screen resolution large enough to show this. You can see here that I probably only would have room for about 25 documents. It will not provide a scroll bar, so if your screen won't show 50, you're simply out of luck. In addition to the recently used files, we also have thumbtacks over here on the right-hand side. Let's say in the course of any given month you open 150 different files, but maybe there's 3 or 4 files that you need at every month end. You can take those items and pin them to the list. When I click the thumbtack, it changes to a green thumbtack, and now no matter what, those will stay in the list almost as if they are favorites or something like that. Now I have to warn you about a privacy concern. Let's say that you're a manager and you're working on some top secret documents. Maybe there's about to be a big reorg, or perhaps there's some layoffs planned, and you were working on documents here, a document that called reorg plans, or the reduction in force list, and you want to remove that from your recent documents list. In Excel 2003, if you would have adjusted the number low enough, for example, down to 5, all of these items would have been deleted from the list. That does not happen in Excel 2007. If we go to Excel Options and go to Advanced, to the Display, and I would set this back to 5, click OK. Sure enough, we do see just the last 5 items, so those items 6, 7, and 8 are gone. However, if I would go to lunch and one of the employees comes in, they can go to Advanced, go to Display, and kick this back up to 50, and all of the items come back to the list. So you see 6, 7, and 8 reappear, and I can discover what my manager was working on. Now, the one way to make sure to completely clear out this list is to go to Excel Options, go to Display, and change the number back to 0. When you take the number all the way to 0, every item is deleted, and it's permanently deleted. So now there's nothing in the recent documents list. Even if someone would come along and try and kick this back up to 50, click OK, nothing comes back. Of course, I've also lost all of my favorite items that I pinned to the list, but I guess that's the downside of this. The recently used documents is a great improvement, being able to show 50 documents. And there's a much better chance now that you can just simply open the document from the recent list instead of having to go through the open dialog. Well, I hope you found that helpful, and thanks for watching.
Looking to advance your career by acquiring new skills? Tired of expensive off-site training programs? Wish you could learn from the best instructors in the industry? Look no further than Live Lessons. Self-paced, personal video instruction by the world's leading technology publishers. Each live lesson comes with a DVD featuring 3 to 4 hours of instructor-led classroom training, sample program code that allows you to work along with your personal instructor, and an example-rich study guide. Live lessons allow you to watch the entire course from start to finish, or navigate directly to any of the individual lessons. You'll literally watch over the shoulder of your instructor as he shows you how to build state-of-the-art applications. Live Lessons, the power of the world's leading technology experts at your fingertips. To learn more, visit mylivelessons.com today.